Well, hello there. It's been a hot minute. Long time no chat. Long time no video. I know, but I hope you guys don't miss me too much. And here's me dropping another one of my transformation videos with you guys. And this one is kind of like a real Snapchat, real life Snapchat, you know, transformation type thing. Kind of like a bridal eye look and kind of like glossy lips. And this is giving me bridal vibes, or like a bridal vibes. But anyway, I'm just gonna talk you guys through it because I put a poll on Instagram. You guys wanted me to do talk through, so here it is. All the products are gonna be set in the description box. I'm not gonna really mention too much about product in this video. So the first thing I'm doing is priming. Is really key because it makes your makeup last longer, your foundation, your powder, everything in your face lasts longer. It's like a barrier between your face and your products you're gonna be using on your face. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to apply foundation on her skin, and her skin is so, like, she had a little bit of like some hyperpigmentation and some spots and all that. I did color correct around the mouth area before I applied the foundation. I forgot to press the record button. You know when it's been too long that you haven't filmed, you really forget like the main major steps of what to do. So I'm going to apply foundation all over her skin using my beauty blender. Baby girl, I feel it deep in my soul, and I swear I want this feeling tomorrow. When your love like a ghetto boy blow, when I ghetto boy blow, girl, I can be your hero. Oh my God, the way you go down low, you didn't make my high pass Kilimanjaro. You didn't make my high, girl, do the dirty one, yeah. Girl, do the dirty one, yeah. Oh my God, the way you go down low, you didn't make my high pass Kilimanjaro. You didn't make my high, girl, do the dirty one, yeah. Girl, do the dirty one, yeah. Baby girl, now you are singing this song for you, yeah. Baby girl, do the wine to the beats they groove, yeah. Once we have a flawless canvas, I'm going to go ahead and add dimensions onto the face, and I am going to highlight, and I'm using actually several variations of concealer. So I'm going to use the Kevyn, I'm going to use some NYX, and I'm going to be using, I think, some Zaron concealers. I think I used some Zaron. Yes, I did use Zaron in there because I can see that's what I'm using across the bridge of her nose. So I'm just going to highlight under her eyes, the bridge of her nose, a little bit on the forehead area, Cupid's bow, under the chin, and I'm going to blend that out using a blending brush first of all, just to blend under the eye area out, and I'm going to follow up. I'm using my beauty blender to blend that out to give it an even flawless highlighted area.
Dion.
Then I'm going to go ahead and add some low light, aka contour, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is the darkest shade in C18, and I really have to use that, like the slightest bit is what I actually use because it's very pigmented, it's very dark, and if you're not careful it could go a little bit muddy and messy all over the face. So I just applied a little bit and I made sure that I blended that out evenly. I went on to set the highlighted areas using my Sachs buttercup setting powder, and it's basically where I highlighted, cream highlighted is where I'm going to set, and this would enable your makeup to set in place and not crease throughout the day. So I'm going to move on to eyebrows, and it's pretty self-explanatory from what I did in the video. If you want a detailed eyebrow tutorial, please let me know, leave it in the comment section, and I'll try and get one done for you guys as soon as possible. But what I'm just doing here is just basically the eyebrows. Moving on to the eyes, I am using the Morphe palette in the 3502, I believe. This is the very popular one with the matte and shimmer shades, like the oranges and the browns. I love this palette, it's amazing. I'll definitely recommend you to get it if you're looking
to get some neutrals in your collection. And then I'm just gonna kind of like cut the crease, and I'm using Benign Clown White. That was a mouthful. And I absolutely love this eyeshadow primer. It's amazing, it's beautiful. It's not really easy to find because I got mine in iMat, but this Benign Clown White is definitely a must-have for all makeup artists out there. It will last you for years, trust me. So what I'm just gonna do is just cut the crease, and then I am applying some white kind of like eyeshadow from the Morphe palette, and then I went in with this pigment from Peaches and Creams Makeup. They are amazing. If you don't know about their pigments, oh my god, girl, wake up from your sleep. And I can't remember what shade this is now, but it's definitely a pigment from Peaches and Creams, absolutely gorgeous. And then I went on to dust up the excess powder, set her face with some a face powder, and apply the blusher, apply the highlighter, the lipstick, the lip gloss. I did not get the lipstick part on camera because my battery died, so I had to quickly go charge it. But yes, I hope you really do enjoy it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this tutorial. If you want more, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. And please don't forget to subscribe. See ya.
I know go use you do ritual. I'm gonna get my love sour. Baby, baby, summertime fine, summertime fine. So every time I wanna FaceTime, a day far away, baby, far away. My heart today with you, my body today feel you. Sure you know. Oh no, baby, oh no, girl, oh no, baby, yeah, yeah. You're my African queen, you're my baby girl, you're my angel. You be my number one lover, you be my number one love. With you, girl, I don't want nobody else, I don't want nobody else. You give me joy, you give me everything else I deserve, girl, you're the best. Girl, with you, I swear you making my body